Dear class 11th students, Assalamu alaikum. Subscribe and share my YouTube channel NPTEL classes and take idea to solve this chemistry class 11th NCERT problem 1.2. So our problem is calculate the mass percentage of different elements present in sodium sulfate. And if I consider this problem as a story, mass percentage of element is the title of this story. And if I open this title for you, mass percentage of element means mass of element in 100 grams of compound. Mass of element in 100 gram of compound. This is what mass percentage of element means. Mass of element present in 100 gram of compound. Suppose we have 100 gram of compound and if contribution of element in terms of mass in its 100 grams is 40, we will say mass percentage of element in this compound is 40. This is what is meaning of mass percentage of element. And I said this problem we can treat as story, and its title is mass percentage of element, and I opened this title for you. I said mass percentage of element in any compound is the mass of element present in 100 grams of that compound. And sodium sulfate composition Na2SO4 is our actor in this story. This sodium sulfate of composition Na2SO4 will help us to solve this puzzle, to solve this problem. इसलिए for us, for chemistry students, sodium sulfate here plays role of an actor. And how, I will let you know. Calculation, how mass percentage is calculated. Calculation. Mass percentage of any element. Mass percentage of an element in compound is equal to ratio of mass of element and mass of compound. Multiplied by 100. Suppose you know total mass of compound, you know contribution of element in terms of mass in that compound. You have to calculate ratio of mass of element and mass of compound and then multiply by 100. You will get mass percentage of an element in any compound. So this is formula which we use to calculate mass percentage of an element in compound. But as far as this problem is concerned, neither mass of compound is given nor mass of element in this compound is given. That is why I said this sodium sulfate will play role of an actor here. It will help us to solve this problem. How? Yesterday I told that if we know the formula, of compound, and here I have already written formula of compound Na2SO4. From formula of compound I can calculate molar mass of this compound. Mass of its 1 mole. How? By adding contribution of different elements in terms of mass which are present in it. So first I will calculate molar mass of this compound, and molar mass is represented by capital M. Wherever you will find written capital M, it is molar mass in this chapter. I will calculate its molar mass, and one more information is that it is ionic compound consisting of sodium cation and sulfate Nn. So its molar mass will be equal to its gram formula mass. And for calculation you need to add atomic masses of 2 sodium and atomic mass of 1 sulfur and atomic mass of 4 oxygen atoms, which I will do here. Its one formula unit has 2 sodium, so 2 multiplied by 23 plus sulfur is 1 atom multiplied by 32, oxygen are 4 atoms multiplied by 60, and it comes equal to molar mass of this compound comes equal to 142, and yesterday I told that its unit is gram, 142 gram. That is why I told that sodium sulfate will help us to solve this problem, because we know formula, its composition, chemical formula, and from its formula we calculated its molar mass by adding the contribution in terms of mass of different elements in its molar mass. So this we know, mass of compound now we know equal to its molar mass, and we also know the mass of various elements in this compound. Mass of sodium in it is 2 into 23, mass of sulfur is 1 into 32, and mass of oxygen is 4 into 16. Contribution of sodium in terms of mass towards molar mass of sodium sulfate is 2 into 23. Similarly, contribution of sulfur in terms of mass towards its molar mass is 1 into 32, and contribution of oxygen for that case is 4 into 16. So now we know denominator, or in the RHS side we now know mass of compound equal to its molar mass, and we know the mass of each element contributing towards its smaller mass. We can easily now calculate mass percentages. First, mass percentage of sodium will be equal to contribution of sodium towards its molar mass and total mass, molar mass multiplied by 100. It is equal to contribution of sodium is 23 into 2, that is 46. 46 divided by 142 multiplied by 100, and it comes equal to 32 approximately. Similarly, I can calculate for mass percentage of sulfur, that will be equal to contribution of sulfur in terms of mass, which is 32 divided by 142 multiplied by 100, and it is approximately equal to 22%. At last we will calculate mass percentage of oxygen. It will be equal to contribution of oxygen in terms of mass, which is 4 into 16, that is 64 divided by 142 multiplied by 100, and you can there is one more way by which you can calculate the mass percentage of oxygen, because total mass of compound you need to suppose 100, and you got that out of 100, 32 parts in terms of mass are contributed by sulfur, 22 parts in terms of mass are contributed by 32 parts in terms of mass are contributed by sodium, 22 parts in terms of mass are contributed by sulfur, and 100 minus 32 and 22 will come contribution in terms of oxygen, which is 46% approximately. Now, what knowledge you gain? Knowledge that I added in your mind is that composition of sodium sulfate is Na2SO4. Mass percentage of element in compound is the mass of element present in 100 grams of compound, and it is calculated by this formula. Mass percentage of an element in compound is the ratio of mass of that element in compound, total mass of compound multiplied by 100. You got to know that molar mass of sodium sulfate is 142, and most important, you got to know the percentage composition of sodium sulfate. If anybody asks you what is the percentage composition of sodium sulfate in terms of mass, you need to answer him that 32%, sulfur 32%, oxygen 22%, sodium 32%, sulfur 22%, and oxygen 46%. Mass percentage composition of sodium sulfate. If anybody asks you, you need to answer him that mass percentage composition of sodium sulfate is sodium 32%, sulfur 22%, and oxygen 46%. And likewise, you can solve many problems of this kind. Just take idea and apply in another problems of same nature. Thank you. This is what I have got for you in this short session. Take good care of yourself. See you tomorrow. Allah Hafiz.